Hello. In this video, we will show you how to install and configure the ACDI driver monitor package. This package saves process data in third-party drivers. To install the ACDI driver monitor package, you need to right-click the package catalog and then Import Package. Here, you will need to import packages. A zip file with the ACDI has a folder with the audit driver inside. You need the folder designer and these packages for monitoring. Let's click Open. OK, the packages have been successfully imported. Now, for a driver you want to monitor, you have to add the appropriate package. Right-click Properties. Choose Packages. And add SkyPro ACDI Monitor. Now click Apply. By switching to Manual, you are now able to configure whether publisher or subscriber, you want to save events. Here you can input the driver's name. You will need it later to find data from this driver in the ACDI. Let's call it Active Directory 1. In the Program window, you will also see a field for a list of events you want to put in the ACDI, and a field for status levels of events. Click Next, then Finish, and then Apply. To send this data to the open search in the ACDI, the type of connection you will use needs to be configured. Go to Properties in the driver set, and then to the GCVs tab. Now define how you want the data to be transmitted. There are three options available. The first one is Put to ACDI driver cache. This means that all events will be processed by the driver, which DN you will define in the ACDI driver option. The second is Send directly to Elasticsearch or Logstash. These settings are similar to the settings in the ACDI driver. Here you define a path to your open search, the type of file, user with credentials to write to open search, and a path to the key store with the certificate and its password. And the third option is to try sending it to OpenSearch and, on timeout, send it to the ACD driver cache. After all settings are configured, you need to deploy the attributes. And restart the driver. The first way to see the data from the ACDI driver monitor is to use dashboards. ACDI has as its default dashboard netiq driver dashboard, where you can audit and monitor all events that the driver processes. This dashboard must be adjusted according to the name that is set in the appropriate driver. Active Directory 1 was used as a name for the monitor, so this name was set in the connected system. To make all these visuals work, you will need to update the filter of each one of them. Click Edit. Then Edit Visualization. and update the name of the connected system. Replace it with the one you've defined in your driver monitor. Save the changes. Then click Save and Return. The second way is the reporting system. Let's use the netiq Audit Driver Events report. Here, in the connected system, you will see the list of your driver monitors. You can select a channel, as well as the status of events you want to see. For instance, you need to check all events with an error status for the Active Directory driver. Here you have selected the error status and the connected system Active Directory. Let's click Run. Now you see that during the last 7 days, there have been 2,500 events with errors. In the table, you'll find the name of your driver, object DN, status doc, which is the base XML with an event that came to the driver, and the final event doc. In the event doc, there is the data about the reason for the error. Here it is to see that the internet email address has had a value added, and it caused the error. LDAP attribute or value exists. It happened because an Active Directory internet email address is single-valued, and there is no opportunity to add more than one value. Thanks for your attention. Should you have any questions or require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time.